Hey everyone, today, I'm diving into the hidden treasures of Windows 11 that might just make your life a whole lot easier. Let's unravel these secrets one by one. First up, did you know Windows 11 has a built-in clipboard history? That's right. You can keep track of everything you've copied, be it text, images, or files. Just hit Windows plus V and voila, there's your clipboard history panel. No more lost links or forgotten copy-pastes. Next, let's talk about Snap Layouts. A real game changer for multitasking. Hover over the Maximize button on any window, and you'll see a variety of layout options pop up. Choose one, and it automatically resizes and repositions the window. This means you can neatly organize all your open apps without the hassle of dragging around. Moving on to trick number 3, the voice typing tool. Simply press Windows plus H and start speaking. Windows 11 not only types for you, but also punctuates your sentences. Now that's smart. Whether it's a long email or a quick search, your voice is all you need. Trick number 4 is all about efficiency. The new Direct Storage feature speeds up load times for high-performance games by allowing the graphics card to load data directly, bypassing the CPU. It's a must for gamers looking to enhance their play without upgrading their entire setup. For our 5th trick, let's explore the Desktops feature. Windows 11 allows you to create multiple virtual desktops, each with its own set of apps and windows. Swipe left or right on your touchpad with 4 fingers, or click the Task View button on the taskbar. It's perfect for separating work, personal, and play spaces on the same machine. Number 6 is the Microsoft Teams integration. Teams is now embedded directly into the taskbar, making it easier than ever to connect with friends, family, or colleagues. Just a click, and you're in your meetings or chats. No more fumbling through apps and menus. Lastly, let's not overlook the enhanced touch gestures. If you're using a touch-enabled device, Windows 11 has made it smoother and more intuitive. With gestures like 3-finger swiping to switch apps or pinching to zoom, your touch experience is seamless and more responsive. And there you have it. 7 hidden features in Windows 11 that are sure to enhance your user experience. Try them out, play around, and see how they can change your daily computing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Catch you in the next one.